Found an ID2 file in Windows installation folders or system directories. This format relates to the Windows installer database system. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what these Windows installer database files do and how to handle them. Avoid future frustration. Download a dedicated, non-proprietary file viewer. These tools are masters at ignoring small ID2 errors. Take a shortcut and download now. A system file used by the Microsoft Windows Installer Service during the installation or uninstallation of software. Users encounter this file in temporary system folders, often when an installation process is interrupted or fails. The user intent is typically to understand its purpose or troubleshoot a failed software setup. The ID2 file is a proprietary binary data file that acts as a temporary database or configuration component for an MSI package. It is designed by Microsoft to manage the state of an installation, tracking file versions and registry changes to ensure a consistent and reversible setup process. Optimal handling of the ID2 format is achieved using Microsoft Windows Installer by Microsoft Corporation. The file's embedded scripts necessitate a sandboxed environment not offered by Windows. Windows depends on them, so deleting or editing them can lead to problems. We'll begin by checking potential openers. Right-click the ID2 file and click Open With. If Microsoft Windows Installer is present, use that first. If it's missing, select another program. A quick test will reveal the right app. If the ID2 file hasn't opened yet, take a breath. This is a truly stubborn ID2 file. To find the error's source, we need to test these critical common failure points right now. First, letting Windows manage files. ID2 files are managed automatically by Windows Installer and should not be modified directly. The system handles installation database operations during software, install, update, and removal. Manual modification can corrupt installations, leaving software in unstable states, requiring complete reinstallation to fix. Next, inspecting with Orca. Microsoft provides Orca, a free database table editor for Windows installer files. Download Orca from the Windows SDK and use it to view ID2 file contents in a structured table view. This tool is intended for installer developers analyzing or modifying installation databases for testing purposes. Finally, repairing installations. If Windows installer-related issues occur, use Programs and Features in Control Panel to repair affected applications. Right-click the program and select Repair if available. This rebuilds installation databases and replaces corrupted files, restoring proper application functionality without complete uninstallation. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.